Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram search suggestions. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to clear your search suggestions. Then head over to the search option right here and then go click on the search tab. And there you can see all my search suggestions and I want to clear it. So there you can see an option of see all on the upper right corner. Just tap on it and then here goes all my search suggestions. And again there is a clear all option on the upper right corner. All you need to do is just to click it, and once you do it, this layout will arrive. And if you clear this search history, you may still see accounts that you have searched for as suggested results. So we need to clear it all. So we'll just click on clear all. As I don't want to clear mine, I am not clicking that. So if you want to do it, just tap on clear all and your all suggestions will be cleared. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.